Welcome back to my channel Big by Faizan. So today I have two cake recipes to share with you all, which is one of my favorite cake, Genoise, and other one is damn delicious, which is chiffon cake. This is lemon chiffon. I will be sharing lemon chiffon and lemon Genoise. Both the recipes will be of lemon flavor. Okay, now let's see the difference in between chiffon and Genoise. I just love both the cakes, but I will be sharing the difference, what makes both the cakes so different and delicious in this video. So let's get started with making Genoise. So many people also call it Genoise, but the actual pronunciation is Genoise. To make Genoise sponge, we need 3 whole eggs. Into that I am putting 100 grams of sugar. Here I am using granular sugar, but if you want, you also can use caster sugar. That will get dissolved easily and quickly. With the use of a whisker, I am whisking it until it turns nice and fluffy, or get double in volume. Since I am making lemon Genoise, I am putting lemon essence into this egg and sugar. So here you need almost 4 to 5 drops of lemon essence. That will be enough for it. I am whisking it with a hand whisker, but if you have electric beater, you also can use that. That will be much easier and quicker. It seems to be done. Okay, now here goes flour into it. Here you need 100 grams of all-purpose flour. I am sifting it using a sieve along with baking powder. Generally in Genoise you do not need to put baking powder, but here I am putting half teaspoon of baking powder to make it more light. If you wish, you can skip the baking powder in the recipe. That is totally fine. And the leavening will be of air which we have incorporated by whisking the eggs. Now by using a rubber spatula, mix it by cut and fold method. Be gentle and quick with mixing. Don't rush for mixing it, or you will lose so many air pockets, which will give your cake a good rise and lightness. Our Genoise cake batter is been ready now to get into the oven. Now you can see the consistency of this batter. In it you can see these small bubbles. And here I have got my cake pan, which is of 1 pound. Got ready with lining butter paper at the bottom. Transfer the Genoise cake batter into the cake pan. I haven't lined my cake tin from sides. That is totally fine. If you want, you also can do that. Bake the Genoise at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Here my Genoise cake sponge is ready. See, it is so light, spongy, made only with 3 ingredients. So now let's make lemon chiffon cake. To make lemon chiffon cake, you need egg whites of 3 eggs, in which I am gonna put 50 grams or half of the sugar which is required in this recipe into egg whites, and rest will go into the egg yolk of 3 eggs. So basically we're gonna whisk egg whites and egg yolk separately, then we'll fold the egg yolk into the egg white. That will help our cake to rise even more and also make the cake richer than Genoise. Whisk the egg white with sugar until soft peaks and keep it aside. So in the meantime, we're gonna mix or whisk egg yolk with sugar. To whisk egg yolk, take a separate bowl, clean bowl. Put in 3 egg yolks into that bowl and remaining 50 grams of sugar. I am using powdered sugar because I did not have caster sugar at home. So if you have caster sugar, you can use caster sugar, that is also good. And caster sugar is much more preferable. In this recipe, whisk it with a whisker until pale yellow in color. How beautiful it has turned. I love this thing. I love sapaio. I love making sapaio or working with egg yolk separately. Since egg yolk has fat, it makes your product tender and rich. I love the way how egg yolk works for your product in the bakery. Now, when it starts thicken, it means it is done. Now I'm gonna fold it into my meringue. Be gentle and quick while folding egg yolk into egg white and sugar, because you want as much as the air incorporated in the cake batter of our chiffon lemon cake, or sorry, lemon chiffon cake. This is, I believe, is the most crucial part of making good chiffon sponge, because it requires patience and you cannot rush while mixing it. Be gentle with mixing but also quick. As you can see, I am just slowly cutting and folding it. Slowly to keep as much as air possible into the chiffon cake batter. In chiffon cake, we also put oil or liquid shortening to make it more rich and tender. After folding egg yolk into egg white and sugar mixture or meringue, I'm gonna sift flour. It is all-purpose flour which I am taking 100 grams. And yes, to make chiffon you need baking powder, which I am putting 1 teaspoon or 5 grams. Just sift together using a sieve. Again, I'm gonna mix it with my rubber spatula by cut and fold method. I would say again, be gentle and kind and also quick while mixing your cake batter. Chiffon cake is one of my favorite cake to bake because it is light and also rich. In this cake, we also put liquid shortening or oil, which makes the cake more tender. The cake batter of chiffon will be more thicker as compared to genoise or genoise. Now I'm gonna put oil, which is 50 grams, and also since it is of lemon flavor, I'm gonna put lemon essence, almost 4 to 5 drops. That is enough. You also can use lemon zest to give it more lemony flavor that is natural. Now give it a final mix until oil incorporates very well into the cake batter. To make chocolate chiffon, you can substitute 20 grams of flour with cocoa powder, meaning take 80 grams of all-purpose flour and 20 grams of cocoa powder. Here my chiffon cake batter is ready. You can see the consistency of this batter. It is thicker than genoise. You also can see a lot of air bubbles or pockets in this batter. Now I'm gonna transfer this cake batter into my cake pan or cake tin, which is of 1 pound. And I have lined this cake tin with butter paper at the bottom. You also can line the side if you want, but I'm not lining it. I haven't lined it because I'm gonna scrape it using a knife to remove my cake from the pan. It is so amazing. It smells so lemony. It's so light and rich. Bake it at 170 degrees Celsius in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Voila! Here our lemon chiffon cake is ready. Let it cool completely before removing it from pan. After it gets cool, you can remove it from the pan. Now you can see how light it is. It is so evenly baked, spongy, much lighter, much spongy and richer than Jinwas. That's why I love making chiffon cake every single time. Now let's compare our chiffon with Jinwas. I hope you have loved this video. Then do please like, comment, share and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.